There's a strange arithmetic to growing older. Half your life spent trying to become someone, and the other half spent afraid of the wrinkles that prove you did. You check the mirror a little longer these days. You notice things you didn't used to notice. Here's what almost nobody tells you. Your body is aging, but there is something inside you that has never aged a single day. And once you find it, the fear of growing old quietly starts to lose its grip. Most advice about aging tells you to fight it. Eat differently, exercise harder, chase the version of yourself from 10 years ago. So you try, you count the birthdays with dread instead of gratitude. You compare this year's photo to last year's, looking for what's been lost. And even when you win, even when you look a little younger, feel a little stronger, the fear doesn't leave. It just waits for the next mirror. Because the real fear was never about wrinkles or gray hair. It's the quiet belief that as the body fades, so do you. Buddhism doesn't ask you to stop the body from aging. Nothing can stop that. Not one person on this planet has ever won that fight. Instead, it asks a different question. What part of you has actually changed? Think of your body like a house. Over the years, the paint fades, the wood weathers, the roof needs repair. But the person living inside that house, the one who wakes up every morning, who notices the light through the window, has never once grown old. That noticing, that quiet awareness is what Buddhism calls your true nature. It was there when you were 5 years old, watching the world with wide eyes. It's here now reading these words. It hasn't gained a single wrinkle. It hasn't lost a single year. The skin changes, the knees complain, the hair turns silver. That's the house. But awareness itself, the one who is aware of all of it, stays exactly as young and exactly as fast as it always was. This is not a comforting story we tell ourselves. It's simply what happens when you stop mistaking the house for the person who lives in it. So the real question was never, how do I stop aging? It's, who has been here all along watching me age? I want to tell you about the man. Let's call him Eddie. He's just turned 60 and he hated it. Every birthday felt like a countdown. He'd catch his reflection in a shop window and look away. He started avoiding photos. He stopped going to reunions. He didn't want to be measured against the version of himself from 30 years ago. One evening, sitting alone on his porch, his young granddaughter climbed into his lap and asked, "Grandpa, were you ever a little boy?" He laughed, and then, for a moment, something shifted. He remembered exactly what it felt like to be that boy. The wonder, the stillness before he learned to be afraid. And he realized the boy was still there, not in the mirror, but in the noticing. The same quiet presence that had been watching his whole life unfold. The hands holding his granddaughter was older, but the one holding her, the one feeling this moment, that had never changed at all. He told me later, "I stopped trying to look younger. I just started noticing how old I never was." And that noticing was enough. So, what does this mean for you standing in front of your own mirror? It doesn't mean you'll stop noticing the wrinkles or that time will slow down for you. It means you can meet each birthday not as a loss, but as proof that the one behind your eyes has been here through every single year of it, unchanged. The body keeps its own time, but you were never only the body. You are the quiet witness that has never aged a day and never will. Tonight, if you catch yourself in the mirror and flinch, pause, look a little closer. Ask yourself quietly, who is the one looking? That's the part of you time can't touch. If this found you at the right moment, leave a word below about what you noticed. And if someone you love is afraid of going older, send this to them gently tonight.